A supplement that claims to balance your blood sugar, boost energy, and even help with weight loss. This is the Sugar Protect. But does it actually work or is it just hype? So Sugar Protect is marketed as a natural blood sugar support supplement that stabilizes glucose levels, reduces cravings, and improves metabolism. Some ads even suggest major improvements in just weeks. Here's the reality. There's no clinical trials on Sugar Protect itself. Ingredient benefits don't guarantee real results in the final product, and effects, if any, are likely mild and inconsistent. Even proven ingredients like berberine only show modest benefits, not miracle results. Watch out for this. Heavy reliance on testimonial style reviews from the official website, claims that sound like easy blood sugar control without lifestyle changes, lack of transparency on dosage, and real clinical data. From Reddit, users say supplements like this work for some, but many see no real change. So, real or fake results? It's not a proven solution, no solid scientific backing, and it might give small support at best. The bottom line, Sugar Protect is not a scam, but definitely overhyped and far from being a real blood sugar fix. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.